Hello everyone, I hope everyone having a good time. If you're looking for some free fonts and thinking where would you get them, you are in the right place. I'll share you top 5 websites for awesome free fonts that are just a click away. Let's get into the topic. Number 1. Google Fonts. Here in the screen you are now seeing this is the Google Fonts. You need to visit fonts.google.com. I will share the link in the description, so no worries. So one of the largest collection of web-ready fonts is Google Fonts. Offers more than over 1,000 different font families. You can easily narrow down your searches by different categories, your languages. There are different language options and other font properties like thickness, length, or width. You can preview your text here by writing something you want. My bad, something one, and the preview image will be shown down below in all the font section, and you can resize your preview text by dragging this bar left and right. So that's it. Categories, all the categories are selected. You can unmark the irrelevant categories, like if you're searching handwriting fonts, and then you just need to just mark that category and you will have all these fonts. You can choose other categories, and here you go. So when you decided to download a font, you just need to click on the font and it will take you to the download page, and here down below in the pages you can see more detail about the fonts, and on the top right section you have the download button. Just need to click and the font is downloaded in your download folder. You can see the folder here, and there is a file. So that's it. Number 2, DA-Font. You need to visit www.dafont.com. I will share the link in the description, no worries. And again, one of my favorite and one of the oldest sources for downloading fonts, dafont.com. This site features more than 60,000 fonts, and there are categories and subcategories. You can see here in the top section. There are categories like fancy, font look, techno, bitmap, gothic, basic, script, dingbats, holiday, and below the categories you can see a lot of subcategories. Like under fancy categories there are options like cartoon, comic, groovy, old school, curly, and down below you can see the recently added fonts. And if you search for some specific fonts in the property section, you have a search option. You just need to write down if you are looking for any specific fonts, and you just need to click on the search and it will be here. So, and it's very easy to download. You just need to click on the download button on the right section, right side. You can customize the text here. You can select how many numbers are shown in one page. Submit your variants. You can define the sizes here and sort by popularity or new or newest. Just click on submit and it will show 200 fonts in the single page. And yes, it says some preview text and it will be shown on all the text. See? And you just need to click on the download. Number 3, next one is QueryFabric. QueryFabric is best known as a marketplace for digital files like fonts, graphics, and machine embroidery designs created for crafters. There are a lot of premium contents here in QueryFabric, but you can also get some free fonts for commercial uses, and these are all modern, newly designed fonts by designers from all around the world. So some of the fonts are limited time offer, maybe available for next 7 days or something like that. They did this for different promotions. So these are awesome fonts. You can sign up for free to QueryFabric to get their freebies of different weeks. They will email you if you subscribe to their email list. So here you can see these are another freebies in QueryFabric. These are free fonts. You can just click on the font you want, and this is the download page. You just need to click on this and it will be downloaded. To download the freebies, you need to create a free account. Number 4, and that is Formspace. This site comes with a font directory of over 75,000 fonts. On top of the font section, there's custom preview options to check out either fonts with your custom text here. Text here. By default, it's like this. It will show the names, and you can resize the preview text or the text by dragging this bird to left or right. And the font bodies, you can change the foreground color and the font color as well. See, this is really fun. It's really fun. You can just again make these changes like this. So that's it. You can upload your fonts, you can join there for free, and the download section you can see on the right side. Just click, it will be downloaded in your desktop. Last but not the least, number 5, font Squirrel. I will share the link in the description again. Font Squirrel is a bit different from the other websites on the list because it compiles fonts from the other websites and links out of them. I mean, they want to say is some of the fonts are from other websites and they forward the link to their site. All the fonts are free for commercial use and come in either OTF or TTF format. To preview, you need to click and go inside the font to see the number of variations. Custom preview options right here in this page. So you need to click on the font and it will take you to page, and you can see this font is from Formspace. So they share the link here, and there's the details, and go back to the page again, and it's written in small fonts offsite. That means this font is available in other website, and it will direct this link will direct to that other website. But the font here in this page, like Source Sans Pro, you can see you just need to click and it will be immediately downloaded in your desktop.